Looking for a place to stay in Cabo San Lucas that combines comfort, location, and genuine Mexican hospitality? Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa might just be the spot you've been searching for. Nestled right in the heart of Cabo's Marina district, this property offers something that many travelers crave, a real sense of place without the cookie-cutter resort feel. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the daily grind, this resort has carved out its own niche in one of Mexico's most popular destinations. Let's dive into what makes this place tick and whether it deserves a spot on your travel wishlist. When it comes to accommodations, Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa takes a different approach than your typical beachfront mega resort. The rooms here are actually more like condos, which means you get significantly more space than a standard hotel room. We're talking full kitchenettes in most units, separate living areas, and enough room to actually unpack your suitcase and feel at home for a while. The resort offers various room categories, from cozy studios perfect for couples to spacious two-bedroom suites that can comfortably sleep families or groups of friends traveling together. Each unit comes equipped with air conditioning, which you'll definitely appreciate in Cabo's warm climate, along with flat-screen televisions, complimentary wireless internet, and private balconies or terraces where you can enjoy your morning coffee while watching the marina come to life. The decor leans toward comfortable and functional rather than ultra-luxurious, with tile floors that stay cool underfoot and furnishings that feel lived in rather than stuffy. Many rooms offer marina views, and there's something genuinely relaxing about watching the yachts bob gently in the water as the sun sets over the Sea of Cortez. The kitchenettes are particularly handy if you're staying for more than a few days or traveling with kids who have specific food preferences. You'll find a refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, and basic cookware, which means you can grab fresh ingredients from local markets and prepare simple meals or snacks without relying entirely on restaurant dining. The bathrooms are straightforward and clean, with shower tub combinations and standard toiletries provided. While you won't find cutting-edge smart room technology or rainfall showers here, everything works well and serves its purpose. Housekeeping maintains the rooms regularly, and the staff is generally responsive if you need extra towels, pillows, or any other amenities. For travelers who prioritize space and a homey feel over five-star opulence, these accommodations hit the sweet spot. The layout really does make a difference, especially if you're used to cramming into a single hotel room where everyone's tripping over each other's luggage. Now let's talk about food and drinks, because let's be honest, that's a huge part of any vacation. Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa isn't an all-inclusive property, which actually gives you more flexibility to explore Cabo's incredible dining scene. That said, the resort does have its own restaurant and bar options right on site for those times when you just want to grab a bite without venturing out. The main restaurant serves a mix of Mexican and international cuisine, with breakfast options that include both traditional Mexican dishes and American-style favorites. Think fresh fruit, made-to-order omelets, chilaquiles, pancakes, and strong coffee to get your day started right. For lunch and dinner, the menu expands to include fresh seafood, which makes sense given Cabo's coastal location, along with grilled meats, pasta dishes, and lighter fare like salads and sandwiches. The portions are generous, and the prices are reasonable compared to some of the tourist trap restaurants in the area. The poolside bar is where many guests end up spending their afternoons, sipping margaritas or cold Mexican beers while soaking up the sun. The bartenders know how to make a proper margarita, and they're not stingy with the tequila, which always earns points in our book. They also serve lighter snacks and appetizers throughout the day, perfect for when you need something to tide you over between meals. One thing worth mentioning is that because the resort is located right in the marina area, you're literally steps away from dozens of excellent restaurants, cafes, and bars. You can easily walk to everything from casual taco stands to upscale dining establishments without needing a car or taxi. This gives you the best of both worlds, convenient on-site dining when you want it, and endless options when you're feeling adventurous. The resort's dining setup might not win any culinary awards, but it's solid, satisfying, and convenient, which is really what most travelers need. Plus, having that kitchenette in your room means you can always supplement with your own snacks, breakfast items, or late-night munchies from the local grocery stores. Let's splash into the pool and beach situation, because this is where Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa really shines in terms of location and facilities. The resort features a beautiful outdoor swimming pool that's large enough to actually swim laps if you're so inclined, though most guests prefer to lounge around the edges with a drink in hand. The pool area is well maintained with plenty of comfortable lounge chairs, umbrellas for shade, and a relaxed atmosphere that never feels too crowded or chaotic. The water is kept clean and refreshing, and there's a shallow area that's perfect for younger kids to splash around safely. Surrounding the pool, you'll find tropical landscaping that adds to that vacation vibe without feeling overdone or artificial. The pool deck has enough space that you're not packed in like sardines, and there's usually no problem finding a good spot even during busier times. Now, here's something important to understand. Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa is not directly on the beach. It's located in the Marina District, which means you're overlooking the boats and harbor rather than having sand at your doorstep. However, this isn't necessarily a drawback. The famous Medano Beach, which is Cabo's main swimming beach and one of the few swimmable beaches in the area, is just a short walk or quick taxi ride away. Many guests actually prefer this setup because you get the calmer, more protected marina environment at the resort while still having easy access to the beach whenever you want it. Medano Beach offers all the water activities you could want: jet skiing, parasailing, paddleboarding, kayaking, and banana boat rides. The beach is lined with restaurants and bars where you can rent loungers and umbrellas for the day, order food and drinks right to your spot, and enjoy the classic Cabo beach experience. The Sea of Cortez waters at Medano Beach are swimmable, unlike many of Cabo's Pacific side beaches where the currents and waves can be dangerous. Back at the resort, the pool becomes your go-to spot for morning swims, afternoon relaxation, and evening dips under the stars. There's something nice about having your own pool to return to after a day of beach activities, especially if you want to rinse off the salt and sand in a more controlled environment. The resort also offers easy access to various water-based excursions and tours, from snorkeling trips to sunset cruises, which can be arranged through the concierge or the many tour operators located right in the marina. You're literally in the perfect spot to hop on a boat for deep-sea fishing, whale watching during season, or trips to the famous Arch of Cabo San Lucas. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa offers a solid range of activities that go beyond just lounging by the pool. The resort has a well-equipped fitness center for guests who want to maintain their workout routine even while on vacation. It's not a massive gym, but it has the essentials: treadmills, elliptical machines, free weights, and some weight machines. The equipment is reasonably modern and well-maintained, and the space is air-conditioned, which you'll definitely appreciate. The fitness center typically isn't too crowded, so you can usually get in a good workout without waiting for equipment. Beyond the gym, the resort's location in the marina means you're surrounded by activity options. You can easily arrange fishing charters right from the marina, with everything from half-day trips to multi-day excursions available. Cabo is world famous for marlin fishing, and there's something genuinely thrilling about heading out into the Pacific in search of these magnificent fish. For those who prefer to stay on land, the resort staff can help arrange golf outings at some of Cabo's championship courses, many of which were designed by famous golfers and offer stunning ocean views. Tennis enthusiasts will find courts nearby, and the concierge can point you toward the best options. The resort also offers easy access to ATV tours through the desert, ziplining adventures, and horseback riding along the beach. One of the unique aspects of staying at Marina Fiesta is that you're right in the middle of the action when it comes to Cabo's famous nightlife. The marina area comes alive after dark with restaurants, bars, and clubs that cater to every taste. Whether you want a quiet cocktail while watching the boats or you're ready to dance until dawn, it's all within walking distance. The resort itself maintains a more relaxed evening atmosphere, so you get to choose your own adventure each night. For couples, the sunset views from the marina area are absolutely spectacular, and there's something romantic about strolling along the waterfront as the sky turns shades of orange and pink. The resort can also arrange various tours and excursions, from visits to nearby towns like Todos Santos to adventure activities like camel rides on the beach. Basically, if you're the type of traveler who likes to stay busy and try new things, you'll have no shortage of options here. The spa and wellness offerings at Marina Fiesta Resort and Spa provide a welcome opportunity to unwind and pamper yourself during your stay. The on-site spa offers a menu of treatments designed to help you relax and recharge after days spent exploring Cabo or simply to enhance your vacation indulgence. You'll find various massage options, from traditional Swedish massage to deep tissue work that targets those stubborn knots and tension points. The therapists are trained professionals who understand how to adjust pressure and technique based on individual preferences and needs. Beyond massages, the spa offers facial treatments using quality products that leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing, which is especially nice after exposure to sun and salt water. Body treatments like scrubs and wraps are also available, incorporating local ingredients and traditional techniques. The spa environment itself is designed to promote relaxation, with soothing music, aromatherapy, and a peaceful atmosphere that helps you disconnect from everyday stress. While it may not be the largest or most elaborate spa facility you've ever encountered, it certainly gets the job done when you need some self-care. The prices are generally reasonable compared to standalone spa facilities in tourist areas, making it accessible for travelers who want to treat themselves without completely blowing their budget. Many guests find that scheduling a massage or treatment partway through their stay helps them fully embrace that vacation mindset and let go of any lingering tension from back home. The spa staff is typically accommodating about scheduling and can often fit you in with relatively short notice if they're not fully booked. Some treatments can be enjoyed as couples experiences, which adds a romantic element for those traveling with a partner. The wellness aspect extends beyond just spa treatments too. The resort's overall vibe encourages a slower pace and mindful relaxation. You'll notice that the property doesn't feel rushed or hectic like some larger resorts where activities are constantly scheduled and you're bombarded with entertainment. Instead, there's space to simply be, whether that means reading a book by the pool, taking a leisurely swim, or enjoying a long breakfast without feeling like you need to rush off to the next thing. For travelers seeking balance between activity and relaxation, this approach works really well. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.